Hello everyone and welcome again our new video. In today's video we are again going to learn some really awesome and cool tutorials on how to make different stuff of drawing. Starting off with the first one, we'll learn how to make this drawing of this easy dog which has a huge tongue out of his mouth and complete it by making his face and body and coloring it. Moving forward to the next one, in which we will make this beautiful drawing of this cat who has a bow tie on her head and a small body with a beautiful dress which she is wearing. We will create her big face and her small body as shown by following the steps and placing a crown on her head and coloring it. Moving forward to the next one, in which we will make this beautiful drawing of this bee, which is a really easy one to make. We'll create this by following the steps as shown, and then we'll first make her face and body and her beautiful wings and complete it. Moving forward to the next one, in which we'll make this beautiful drawing of this beautiful looking crane. It is a really easy one to make. We'll follow the steps as shown to make this crane and coloring it. Moving forward to the next one, in which we will make this beautiful drawing by following the steps as shown. We'll start by making this face and huge ears and body of this animal, which is a really cute and beautiful one, and complete it by following the steps. Moving forward to the next one, in which we'll start by making the outline of this face and hairs of this beautiful girl which we are learning to make, and then we'll create her beautiful body with her beautiful dress which she is wearing and her long legs and hands, and then we'll create her eyes and a beautiful smile which is on her face. Moving forward to the next one, in which we will start by making the left side animal, and then we will create the right side animal who are standing and hugging each other. We will create this beautiful dog and cat who are hugging each other in the following ways as shown, which is a really cute one and awesome looking one. Moving forward to the next one, in which we'll make this easy drawing of this cool looking one who looks like an structure and which is an animated one, and create this into a beautiful one as shown who has small legs, a big body and big head. Moving forward to the next one, in which we'll start by making this cartoon which looks really cute. We'll first make the cartoon on the left side and then the cartoon on the right side who is holding the cartoon on the left side and complete it. Moving forward to the next one, in which we will first start by making this bow tie on the head of this cat which looks really awesome and cool, and then we will make the body and her tail and complete it by following the steps as shown. Moving forward to the next one, in which we will start by making the face of this one, and then we will follow the steps to make this body and legs of this cute bear which looks really awesome and has an expression. Moving forward to the next one, in which we'll make this cute drawing of this turtle. It is a really easy one to make. We'll create the face and body of turtle as shown. Thank you for watching the video.